The backlash against United Airlines continues days after this video was released showing a passenger, David Dow, being dragged from his seat. His daughter says she was outraged to see what happened to her father.
We were completely horrified and shocked at what had happened to my father when we learned of the incident. Seeing it on video made those emotions exacerbated.
Now, Dow's lawyer says his client has a concussion. He has a broken nose and he lost 2 front teeth from this incident, and he plans to file a lawsuit. Now, this story has gained so much attention. A lot of people have many questions, Guy, and I think one of the main questions is, what are your rights as a passenger?
Stella, after that video went viral, many people are wondering what happens if they get bumped from a flight. New at 6, 9 on your sides, Jennifer Martinez spoke to a local attorney to get a better understanding of your airline rights.
After this video surfaced, outrage and confusion from travelers across the nation. Can you really be bumped from a flight you paid for? The answer is yes. Many airlines overbook flights, and that's because they expect some passengers won't show up. In this case, United Airlines needed to fly 4 crew members to Louisville. When you buy a ticket, you enter into a contract which allows airlines to bump passengers. However, many don't read the fine print.
Just because you have the right to do something doesn't mean it's okay to do it. And there were so many other options. I mean, my understanding is they had 4 crew people they needed to get to Louisville. They could have chartered a plane for those 4 people. Or they could have offered enough money where eventually people would have said, okay, I'll give up my seat.
According to the Department of Transportation, 631 million people traveled last year. 1 out of 14,000 passengers were bumped. If that happens to you, you can get compensated, depending on how long it takes to get to your destination and whether it's a domestic or an international flight. You can get up to 200% of your ticket cost. But if it's more than 4 hours on an international flight, you can get up to 400% back, up to $1,350. And you can also request a full refund for the ticket cost, including any additional fees. Jennifer Martinez, KGUN 9 on your side.